Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Habits are behaviours that become ingrained in our lives, often through repetition and practice. They can range from simple daily routines such as brushing your teeth to more complex behaviours such as exercising regularly or avoiding procrastination. Habits can be beneficial or detrimental to our physical and mental health, depending on the type of behaviour involved. To help individuals form better and more positive habits, mental health professionals may use a habit journal. This can help individuals track their progress by developing new habits and breaking old ones. It can also provide insight into triggers, rewards, and barriers to forming new habits. To use our free habit journal, follow these steps. Download our habit journal from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, explain how it works to your client. Give your client a copy of the worksheet and explain how it works. Encourage them to complete the journal entries each day for the best results. Set realistic goals. Review your client's objectives and create achievable milestones. It's vital that they set realistic goals so that they don't become overwhelmed or discouraged when trying to form new habits. Have the client complete the journal. Give your client plenty of time to complete the journal at home. Encourage them to refer back to their goals whenever they feel overwhelmed. Review progress. Review the client's journal entries to discover patterns, triggers, and rewards. Use this information to help your clients reach their goals and form new habits. Here is a sample of our habit journal, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our habit journal, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.